Hi everyone, my name is Ashraful Islam and I'm here today to talk about how and when Bard cites sources in its responses. Bard is a large language model from Google AI, trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. How does Bard cite sources? Bard cites sources by providing links to the original content that it has used. For example, if Bard is asked a question about the history of the United States, it may cite a Wikipedia article or a book on the subject. Bard will also include a citation in the text of its response, so that you can easily find the original source. When does Bard cite sources? Bard cites sources whenever it uses information that is not its own. This includes information that is taken from other websites, books, articles, or other sources. Bard also cites sources when it generates creative content, such as poems, stories, or scripts. Why is it important for Bard to cite sources? Citing sources is important for a number of reasons. First, it helps to ensure that Bard is providing accurate information. Second, it gives credit to the original authors of the information. Third, it helps to prevent plagiarism. How can I check if Bard has cited its sources? If you are ever unsure whether Bard has cited its sources, you can always check the text of its response for a citation. You can also look at the links that Bard provides to see where it got its information,